And see, here we go again for the shout out and looking at beautiful nature here at the villa. Just how beautiful that is. And I just love it when there's a change. A change is so beautiful when the leaves and the trees and the oh goodness, it's just so peaceful out here. Uh, this is Sunday and it's peaceful and I just love it. I just really love it. Isn't this great? This is beautiful. And I love the bushes here because they have changed their colors as well. Well, no, these have basically been the same. They didn't really change. They just trimmed them a little bit. And I love this bush here. I'll call it bush for lack of the appropriate word. And so there we have it. Enjoy, as they say, bon appetit for your eyes. Nature